Hello everybody, we've come out to the North York Moors today for a walk. Clay Bank is where we're starting from. We're going to go up to Urra moor and Wainstones, and we're meeting up with a couple of our favourite YouTubers. You know who they are. They're going to be really happy when they see this. We'll spin you around and show you what we mean. Look at this! Free parking! Who can we mean? Who can we mean? Who likes free parking? Well, they're going to love this. We're about an hour early, so let's go and sit in the car and wait, shall we?
Yep.
We're always early. Why do we have to be so early? So what do you think of this then, paying for parking?
Absolutely shocking. It's just a brand new thing.
Used to be free.
I
How
know.
dare they?
Grrr.
I don't know what you have to be a member of.
No, I don't. I'll put it up to the car. You're there fast, aren't they?
That's right, I'll
Do you reckon that's Gate of the Week?
What a beauty.
What?
It's a beauty. I don't think that's going to be Gate of the Week though.
Nah.
There's one higher up there, definitely.
Yeah. Gaining a bit of height now. Views of Rosebery Topping and the Middlesbrough over there. Gaining a bit of height, Jill, quick. Whew. Warmed you up.
Does?
There goes Nick, rushing off, checking up on an old boundary stone. Bit disappointed with these boundary stones. None of them have got markings on them yet. Is it another boo?
There's no marking.
Boo. Here we come. Is that a hand there? When I've seen it before, you could really make it out. Wow.
Good, yeah. No, it's this one, and then the one further, the one past that is the Bradley's.
Closing in on the tree point here. Nick's bolted off ahead. I hope he's not going to be a trig point hogger. You have to get a shot of your hand touching the top, don't you? Summit of Round Hill, highest point in the North York Moors, 1450 something feet. I never know, do I? I don't do any research.
Originally a grouse hunting spot. You can see your head better. And in here you'd normally find two hunters. I wonder if we've got it today.
Dropping down off the moors now. Look at this beautiful view we're greeted with. Smashing. A typical North Yorkshire moors view. We found this old abandoned barn. I wonder what's inside. There's only one way to find out.
Who lives in a house like this?
David, it's over to you.
I bet Peter was slept.
There's a GoPro 10 V12 off.
Yeah, somebody sat there, aren't they? Just a shame we didn't see the barn owl. What was that? Go and test it out, Karen. Not too bad. Looks dry. And we're out of the wind.
Perfect.
This looks like something off Last of the Summer Wine. Who's Compo? Hold your hands up.
Who's Laura?
Now, I know a person who's going to want to know what you got in your sandwiches.
Oh yes.
So what have we got?
Cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion?
We've got tuna, mayo and tomato on a white.
Very adventurous.
And some vegetable soup.
Oh, Mike's going to love that.
Food of kings.
Well, that was a nice little stop, wasn't it?
It was lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonder if we're halfway round. Not quite, I don't reckon. Have we?
You're the leader.
Enjoying it?
Enjoying it? Yep.
Yeah, got a thumbs up.
Even going for the classy ghost shot.
Drain cover of the week. So we've dropped down off the moors now, come down into the valley of Billsdale. It's beautiful down here. You can really, it's got that springtime feel about it. Daffs are out, birds are singing, it's beautiful. No. So we're leaving the valley now and heading up onto the moorland. We've encountered our first real mud of the day. But luckily for us, there's this little higher path that keeps us out of the mud. Smashing walk this. Absolutely smashing. It's all uphill now. Karen's leading the way now. She's showing no mercy. Karen! No, she's speeding up. What have I done wrong? What have I done to deserve this? She's like a racehorse, and me, a mere donkey. Karen, thanks for not walking too fast.
Oh, my faces. I think you...
Here we have a fine example of the tortoise and the hare. What kept you? Where you been? You burnt out? Yeah. Well done. You did well for an old lady. Be rude not to add a stone, wouldn't it?
Yep. Can you believe it? It's not Cantil, it's an ancient burial ground. Just defaced it.
Just dropped down off Cold Moor, and now we're heading for the Wainstones for a little scramble.
Green doors there. I'll turn the film this game. Yeah, sure. I'll just get the Wainstones.
Well, that was quite easy. Just dropped down off Cold Moor. There's a path that slants across the fell side there. We took that rather than the steep option. But we've got a steep option now. We've got no alternative now. We've got to climb up to Wainstones. And it looks pretty steep. Sure, we'll be fine. Karen's in front. We'll just try and keep up with her. Picking our way up through the Wainstones. It is. Yeah, you can fit through there, Nick.
Open door, please.
Too many hot cross buns.
Yeah, all hot stuff. We was on the street when we wanted to.
That looked tough, Nick.
Oh, it's very tough.
Making mountains out of molehills.
If you punched him on the nose, he'd cry and run away.
Can't be hands like that. No, but I can't.
Well. It's all right, wasn't it?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, we had a lovely walk. Really fantastic. Not really that muddy, was it?
No, it's nice.
Didn't rain. Sun shone now and again. And we had Jill and Nick there. Fantastic, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really made the day.
Yeah, it was lovely.
What was your best bit?
Oh, I don't know. The stones, climbing the stones.
Climbing the stones. Yeah, it's probably my favourite bit. But then again, I loved it all. I loved it all.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 9 miles that came in at, and it was 1,793 feet of ascent, which is quite a bit, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. You were feeling it at one stage, weren't you?
Yep.
Foot ache. And then 5 minutes later, you're off like a bloody greyhound. Couldn't keep up with you. What the hell got into you then?
Energy drink.
Energy drink. Anyway, if you don't know Nick and Jill, I'll put a link down below for their channel and you can go and check them out. Brilliant channel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really funny. Do some great topics. I've been talking about some of their upcoming films that they're going to be doing in the future. That sounds really good. So if you want to get in there now, subscribe to their channel and just sit back and enjoy it all, because there's a lot of good stuff coming up, isn't there?
Yep.
Bank holiday bandits, things like that. Right, 4 o'clock, so we've got to drive home now. Hour and a half probably. Go motorway way, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Thanks for tuning in, folks.
Bye.
It's bye from her. It's tutty bye from me. It's usually tutty bye from you, isn't it?
No.
Oh, I don't know then. Anyway, we'll see you later. See you on the next one. Are we going out tomorrow?
You might be.
I might be. I'm talking about.
I don't know, might.
Right. Whenever it is, we'll see you then. Bye-zy bye.
Bye.
Tatty bye. See ya. Bye.
Bye.